Hi guys and welcome to MotorBeam. When we buy a new car, we look at a lot of factors like looks, features, performance, service and of course safety. The general trend that we have seen among a lot of Indian buyers is that they give importance to features such as touchscreen audio system, sunroof, puddle lamps, LED lights, projectors, etc. But somehow, a lot of people just don't give the required significance to safety equipment. Yes, you often hear things like airbags are expensive to replace or ABS isn't required in city driving conditions. In fact, few people even think that a heavy or well-built car will lead to poor fuel efficiency. Why are we doing this? Are we taking our lives too lightly? Are safety features not important on Indian roads? According to stats, the number of casualties due to road accidents in India is quite high. The number of casualties each year has been hovering around the 1.50 lakh mark for the past couple of years each, and 70% of the casualties involved young Indians. India even contributed for 6% of the world's road accidents. This is the reason we've come out impressed with what Tata Motors is doing. Last year, the Tata Nexon impressed Indian buyers with its 5-star Global NCAP safety rating. And now, it is the Altroz premium hatchback that has bagged a 5-star safety rating. It is now India's safest car, scoring 16.13 points out of 17 in adult occupancy protection. Not only this, the body shell of the Altroz was said to be stable and capable of withstanding further loadings. The Altroz provided good protection for the drivers and the front passengers' head, neck and knees, and adequate protection for the chest in both front offset and side impact crash tests. The Tata Altroz is based on the automaker's new Alpha architecture, where Alpha stands for Agile, Light, Flexible, Advanced. It retains Tata Motors' DNA of safety and forms the backbone of the robust safety cell of this car. The Altroz comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX mounts, corner stability control, and height adjustable seat belts as standard. The 5-star rating of the Tata Altroz comes across as very impressive, and we kind of expected it after seeing the Nexon's rating. It is good to see an Indian manufacturer taking proactive steps to ensure complete safety of people who invest in their cars. So buck up, protect yourself and your family, and buy a car that meets the gold standard of safety. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do share with your friends, hit like and subscribe to the MotorBeam channel.